Today, I want you to make a promise to yourself. A promise that from this day forward, you will stop calling yourself weak. For too long, many of us have looked in the mirror and seen limitations instead of possibilities, fear instead of courage, failure instead of lessons. But today, that story ends. You were not born to live a life controlled by doubt. You were not created to hide behind fear or believe that you are less than anyone else. Deep inside you, there is power, strength, and greatness waiting to rise. The only thing standing between who you are today and who you can become is your belief in yourself. You may have faced disappointments. You may have heard words from people that made you question your worth. Maybe life has been unfair, difficult, or painful. But listen carefully. Your struggles do not define your future. Your mistakes do not define your value. And your fears do not decide your destiny. From today, stop introducing yourself to the world as someone weak. Stop saying, I can't do it. Stop believing you are not strong enough, strong or talented enough. The truth is, every successful person once stood exactly where you are, afraid, uncertain, and full of doubt. The difference is, they decided not to stay there. The moment you change the way you see yourself, your life begins to change. When you believe you are capable, you start acting differently. When you trust yourself, opportunities begin to appear. And when you refuse to give up on yourself, the world begins to notice your strength. So today, stand taller. Speak with confidence. Walk with belief. Remind yourself every single morning that you are stronger than your fears, bigger than your problems, and more powerful than your excuses. Because the day you stop thinking of yourself as weak is the day your real journey begins. Many people spend their entire lives believing they are weak, incapable, or not good enough without realizing that the biggest battle they are fighting is not with the world, but with their own mind. The truth is simple, your thoughts have power. The way you think about yourself shapes the way you act, the decisions you make, and the kind of life you live. If you wake up every day telling yourself that you are weak, unlucky, or unable to succeed, then your actions will slowly begin to match those beliefs. You will hesitate to take risks, avoid opportunities, and stop yourself from growing, not because you cannot succeed, but because you already convinced yourself that failure is waiting for you. Think about it for a moment. How many dreams have people destroyed simply because they doubted themselves? How many talented individuals gave up before even trying, just because fear whispered in their ears, you are not good enough? The saddest thing in life is not failure. The saddest thing is never trying because you believed you were too weak to win. But today, something must change. Today, you must understand that your mind is like a garden. Whatever thoughts you plant, they will grow. If you plant fear, fear will grow. If you plant doubt, doubt will grow. But if you plant confidence, belief, courage, and hope, then strength will begin to grow inside you. This is why the way you speak to yourself matters so much. Stop saying things like, I can't do this. I am not smart enough. I am not talented. Or, I will never succeed. Every time you repeat these words, you are training your mind to believe limitations instead of possibilities. Your words become your reality. Instead, start replacing those thoughts with stronger ones. Say to yourself, I am learning, I am growing, I am stronger than my fears, and I am capable of achieving great things. At first, it may feel strange, but over time, your mind will begin to believe what you repeatedly tell it. Life will always test you, and there will be moments when challenges seem too heavy to carry. There will be failures, disappointments, heartbreaks, and moments when giving up feels easier than moving forward. But remember this, difficult moments do not come to prove that you are weak. They come to reveal how strong you truly are. Every challenge carries a lesson, and every setback carries an opportunity for growth. The strongest people in the world were not born fearless. They were not born with endless confidence. They became strong because they learned how to control the voice inside their minds. They stopped listening to fear and started listening to possibility. They refused to let negative thoughts control their future. Imagine if you spent the next year believing in yourself instead of doubting yourself. Imagine waking up every morning with confidence, choosing courage over fear and hope over negativity. Think about how different your life could become if you stop focusing on everything you lack and started appreciating the strength you already have inside you. The truth is, strength begins in the mind before it appears in reality. Before anyone else believes in you, you must believe in yourself. Before success appears in your hands, confidence must grow in your heart. You cannot build a strong life with a weak mindset. So, from today, guard your thoughts carefully. Stop feeding your mind with fear and negativity. Start speaking life into yourself. Remind yourself daily that you are stronger than you think, wiser than you believe, and more capable than you ever imagined. Because the moment you change your mindset, you begin changing your future. And the day you stop thinking of yourself as weak is the day you start discovering the power that was inside you all along. Life is not always easy, and no one walks through this world without facing pain, disappointment, struggle, or failure. Every person, no matter how successful, confident or strong they may seem, has experienced moments that tested their patience, broke their confidence, and challenged their spirit. But here is something important to understand. Pain is not your enemy. Pain is often life's greatest teacher. The struggles you face are not there to destroy you. They are there to shape you into a stronger, wiser, and better version of yourself. Many people believe that a difficult life means they are weak or unlucky. When problems come, they start questioning themselves. They ask, why is this happening to me? Or, why is life so unfair? But what if the challenges in your life are not punishments? What if they are preparing you for something greater? Think about it. Diamonds are created under pressure. Gold becomes pure after fire. And strong people are built through hard times. Without struggle, growth would never happen. Every painful moment carries a hidden lesson. Sometimes pain teaches patience. Sometimes failure teaches wisdom. Sometimes heartbreak teaches self-respect, and sometimes loss teaches gratitude. Even when life feels difficult, there is always something valuable waiting to be learned. The problem is, many people become so focused on the pain that they fail to see the strength that is building inside them. There may have been times when you felt broken, rejected, or defeated. Maybe someone told you that you were not good enough. Maybe you failed at something you deeply cared about. Maybe life closed doors that you wanted desperately to walk through. Those moments hurt, and it is okay to admit that pain exists. Strength does not mean pretending everything is perfect. Strength means choosing to keep moving forward even when life feels heavy. Remember this. The strongest people are not the ones who never cried, never failed, or never struggled. The strongest people are the ones who fell down and still found the courage to stand back up. Strength is built in the moments when you feel like giving up, but decide to keep going anyway. Every challenge you survive becomes proof that you are stronger than you thought. Imagine a person who has never faced hardship in life. They may feel confident when everything is easy, but the moment life becomes difficult, they struggle to handle pressure. Now think about someone who faced pain, disappointment, and obstacles, yet kept fighting through every storm. That person becomes stronger, wiser, and more prepared for life's battles. Struggles do not weaken you, they prepare you. There will be moments when life pushes you to your limits. You may feel tired, discouraged, or hopeless. In those moments, remind yourself that pain is temporary, but the strength you build from it can last forever. The tears you cry today may become the wisdom that helps you tomorrow. The failures you experience now may become the lessons that guide you toward future success. Do not allow pain to convince you that you are weak. Instead, let it remind you of how much you have already survived. Think about all the difficult moments you once believed would break you, yet somehow you made it through. That is proof of your strength. You are still standing, still breathing, still fighting, and that alone shows power. The truth is, life does not grow people through comfort. Growth happens in struggle. Confidence is built through challenges. Courage is born in fear. Strength rises through pain. Every difficult season you survive is shaping you into someone stronger than before. So, from today, stop running away from struggles. Stop thinking your pain means you are weak. Instead, start seeing every challenge as a chance to grow. Tell yourself, this moment is not breaking me, it is building me. Believe that every setback carries a lesson, every obstacle hides an opportunity, and every painful experience is preparing you for something greater. Because one day, you will look back at the hardest moments of your life and realize something powerful. The pain you once wanted to escape became the reason you became strong. And when that day comes, you will understand that strength was never something you lacked. It was something life was quietly building inside you all along. There is a power inside you that is far greater than your doubts, fears, and insecurities. But the sad truth is that most people never fully discover it because they are too busy underestimating themselves. They look at their weaknesses instead of their strengths. They focus on what they lack instead of what they already have. And slowly they start believing a false story that they are not capable, not strong enough, and not meant for greatness. But that story is not your reality. It is only a mindset, and mindsets can be changed. Every human being is born with potential. Potential to grow, to learn, to improve, and to achieve things they once thought were impossible. But potential alone is not enough. It needs belief. If you do not believe in yourself, your potential remains hidden. It becomes like a seed that never gets watered. On the outside, nothing seems special, but inside there is life waiting to grow. The moment you start believing in yourself, that seed begins to grow into something powerful. The biggest limitation in life is not failure, not money, background, and not circumstances. The biggest limitation is self-doubt. When you doubt yourself, you stop trying. When you stop trying, you stop growing. And when you stop growing, you start accepting a life that is far smaller than what you are capable of living. That is why belief in yourself is not just important, it is necessary for survival and success. Think about all the times you gave up too early, not because you lacked ability, but because you lacked confidence. Think about the opportunities you avoided because you told yourself, I cannot do this. In reality, you may have been more capable than you ever realized. The only thing missing was belief. Once belief disappears, effort becomes weak, and without effort, success is impossible. But here is something powerful to understand. Confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you build. Nobody wakes up one day fully confident and fearless. Confidence is created through action, experience, and repetition. Every small step you take, even when you are scared, builds your inner strength. Every challenge you face and overcome adds another layer to your confidence. Slowly, you begin to realize that you are more capable than your fears ever told you. There will always be voices around you that try to limit you. Some people will doubt your abilities. Some will underestimate your dreams. And some may even discourage you from trying. But the most dangerous voice is not outside. It is the voice inside your head. If you allow your inner voice to speak negatively, it will control your decisions. But if you train your inner voice to support you, it becomes your greatest source of strength. You must start treating yourself like someone who is capable of greatness. Speak to yourself with respect. Encourage yourself when things get hard. Remind yourself that failure is not the end, but part of the process. The moment you start believing in your inner strength, your actions begin to change. You walk differently, you think differently, and you approach challenges with a new mindset. Life does not become easier when you become stronger. You simply become better at handling difficulties. That is the true meaning of inner power. It does not remove problems from your life. It gives you the ability to face them with courage and clarity. You stop breaking down easily. You stop giving up quickly. You start standing back up faster after every fall. Even now, there is strength inside you that you have not fully used yet. There are talents you have not explored, abilities you have not developed, and dreams you have not chased because of fear. But fear is not a sign to stop. It is a sign that you are stepping outside your comfort zone and entering growth. So from today, make a decision. Stop waiting for someone else to believe in you first. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Start trusting your own potential. Believe that you are capable of learning, improving, and becoming stronger every single day. Because the moment you truly believe in your inner power, you unlock a version of yourself that is no longer controlled by fear, but guided by confidence, courage, and unstoppable determination. Belief in yourself, strength through pain, and a positive mindset mean nothing if they are not followed by action. Many people understand their potential. They know they are capable. They even feel inspired for a moment. But they still remain stuck in the same place because they are afraid to take the first step. Fear becomes the invisible wall that stops them from moving forward. But the truth is simple. Nothing in life changes until you take action. Fear is a natural part of life. Everyone feels it. Even the most successful and confident people in the world have experienced fear before starting something new. The difference is not that they do not feel fear. The difference is that they do not allow fear to control their decisions. Fear is like a shadow. It grows when you stay still, but it becomes smaller when you move forward. When you take action, fear loses its power. One of the biggest mistakes people make is waiting for the perfect moment. They tell themselves, I will start when I feel ready, or I will do it when I am more confident. But the truth is, there is never a perfect moment. Confidence does not come before action. It comes because of action. You do not wait to become strong before you start. You start and then you become strong through the process. Every great achievement in life begins with a small step. Nobody starts at the top. Every successful person once stood at the beginning unsure, nervous, and sometimes even afraid. But they chose to move anyway. They chose progress over perfection. And that decision changed their lives. If they had waited for fear to disappear completely, they would still be waiting today. Fear often creates false stories in your mind. It tells you that you will fail, that people will judge you, that you are not ready, or that you are not good enough. But fear is not reality, it is imagination. It shows you the worst possible outcome, not the actual outcome. And most of the time, the reality is far better than what fear predicted. When you take action despite fear, something powerful happens inside you. You begin to realize that you are stronger than your emotions. You understand that fear is not a stop sign, it is just a feeling. And feelings do not control your destiny unless you allow them to. Every time you take action while feeling afraid, you build courage. And courage is not the absence of fear. It is the decision that something else is more important than fear. Think about the moments in your life when you avoided doing something because you were scared. Maybe you missed an opportunity, delayed a decision, or stayed silent when you should have spoken. Later, you probably realized that it was not as scary as you imagined. That is the truth about fear. It grows in your mind but shrinks in reality. Action is the only way to turn dreams into reality. You can have the best ideas, the strongest motivation, and the biggest goals. But without action, everything remains just thoughts. Action is what turns thinking into progress. It is what separates dreamers from achievers. Even small actions matter. A single step forward is more powerful than years of thinking without movement. You do not need to take massive steps in the beginning. Start small, but start today. Do something that moves you closer to your goal, even if it feels uncomfortable. Send that message, start that project, learn that skill, or take that opportunity. Every action builds momentum, and momentum builds confidence. The more you act, the more you realize that failure is not something to fear. Failure becomes feedback, not defeat. It becomes part of learning, not the end of the journey. And every time you fail and try again, you become stronger, wiser, and more prepared for success. So from today, make a promise to yourself. You will no longer let fear control your decisions. You will no longer wait for the perfect moment. You will take action even when you are unsure, even when you are afraid, and even when things feel difficult. Because real growth does not happen in comfort, it happens in action. And one day, you will look back and realize that everything changed the moment you stopped overthinking and started doing. At the end of everything, life comes down to one simple truth. The way you see yourself decides the way you live your life. If you continue to think of yourself as weak, life will always feel heavier than it is. But the moment you decide that you are stronger than your fears, your pain, and your doubts, everything begins to shift from inside out. You are not defined by your past mistakes, your failures, or the words others used to break your confidence. Those things may have shaped your journey, but they do not control your future. What truly matters is what you choose to believe about yourself from today onward. Every new day gives you a chance to rebuild your mindset, to rewrite your inner story, and to step into a stronger version of yourself. Strength is not something you suddenly wake up with one morning. It is built slowly through how you think, how you respond to pain, how you believe in your inner power, and how fearlessly you take action despite uncertainty. Each key point you have reflected on is a step toward that transformation. First, you learned that your mind creates your reality. Then you understood that pain builds strength. After that, you realized the power already exists within you. And finally, you saw that action is what turns everything into reality. Now the responsibility is yours. You cannot control everything that happens in life, but you can control how you see yourself. You can choose confidence over doubt. You can choose courage over fear. You can choose progress over excuses. And every time you make the right choice, you become a little stronger than you were yesterday. There will still be challenges ahead. There will still be moments of doubt. But now you know something important. You are not weak, and you are never meant to live a life limited by fear. You are capable of growth, change, and greatness far beyond what you have imagined so far. So from this